All right, you know it's gonna be good. I got the new pudding gels. So this is a VIP member only. However, I think they're absolutely worth it. If you guys watched my last pudding gel haul, you would know I absolutely love pudding gels. In my opinion, the consistency of this outbeats any type of gel polish. So this is exactly how I like to work, and I don't know if it is my preference because I like potted gels and I love Light Elegance's buttercream, so I don't know if since I fell in love with those that these are just like hitting the right spot for me, but they are beautiful and I am so excited to try these out. So I do have a discount code with Madam Glam. However, generally speaking, they are running a better sale than my discount code. However, I will have it below, and I'm so excited for these, so let's get to swatching. All right, I'm going to start with the Nude Pink, and we ready? I literally am obsessed with this consistency. I didn't grab a brush. Here, I'll do it so you guys can see the consistency. Let's see. This might be the wrong one to do the consistency on, but you see how it's like paste, but like it's just super soft. And then we'll bring it in. And I don't think, I might have something still on this brush. I think, I'm not quite sure. This is a nice light pink color. This would actually be really pretty to ombre with. So I'm going to do 2 thin coats. You don't necessarily need a second coat, but especially if you're on your normal nail, it's pretty opaque. But on a swatch stick, it is a little bit of shadowing. Next up is soft caramel. Are you guys a caramel or caramel? Oh, this is soft coral. Apparently, I cannot read. Soft coral. Oh. Okay. This is speaking my name. It is a dusty, look at that, coverage. That's the one thing I absolutely love about their puddle gels. It's a 1 coat coverage. Obviously, if you have lighter colors or super dark colors, you could probably do 2 thin coats just because you might get like that uneven look, but I'm going to put this on my nails tonight. Next one is cherry. I don't know if I should be throwing those away. I did. Is that a bad idea? Again, I don't know if it's a bad idea. Oh, look at that. So pretty. I like that. So cherry, I usually think of as a red, but this is, I would say this is a pinky red, meaning it's not like a deep, I would say a deep cherry red is how I describe cherries, but this is a nice dark bright pink. I hope that makes sense. A dark bright pink. All right, going into the purples, we have Iris. Super pretty. This is a very, very pretty purple. It's like a nice light lavender. I would say this is slightly lighter than your normal, like if you were to get a lavender type color, it is slightly lighter, but it is a 1 coat coverage bad boy. Like, I'm sure I can put it, yeah, well, the fact that I just like re-wiped it, like, that's impressive. Next up is hot pink. So apparently I did not finish all the pinks, but that's fine. Oops, as I drop it, that's purple. That is not a hot pink to me. Like, that's like purple. So I'm gonna go with the name does not match the color, in my opinion. It doesn't affect the color because the color is still beautiful, and you get the color on top. So it's not like you have to go by the name. Again, one coat coverage, beautiful. So like if you're storing it, I store them like this, so I will see this and I don't necessarily have to pay attention to the name that's on the top of the... Y'all, it has been one of those days. I'm like coming down here to show you the name and it's literally on top. How many of you knew it was on top? And I'm just looking like a fool. So here's Plum Rose. This is a nice dusty purple. Actually, this is like the perfect color for right now. I have to say, these are hitting it out of the park for me. Whoopsies. Yeah. I don't know what Madam Glam is doing, but they're doing it right for me specifically, because I'm enjoying everything. There is very slight shadowing, but it might be how I applied it. But I think there's an undertone here. So maybe if you mix it up in the pot a little bit, it's showing through. It like has like a pinky undertone, but you would never notice it probably in real life or really at all. But I did notice there's a tiny bit of shadowing. Here is Plum Rose. Nice deep dusty purple. Here is Iris, which is, this may be one of my favorites. I have another favorite, I bet you guys can figure it out, but this one it's pretty close to second. Here is Hot Pink. I would say it definitely cured a little bit more pink than purple, but I think of Hot Pink as like a bright neon pink. Here is Cherry. It is definitely darker in the lamp once it's cured, and it's really pretty. It still has that pretty bright pink to it, in my opinion, but it definitely is more cherry now that it's cured. Next up is Nude Pink, and this one is just right on the money. Beautiful color, just, yes, everything about it. And I saved my favorite for last. Wait, is that not the right name? Soft Coral, Lord. The Soft Coral, I don't know what I said at the beginning. Maybe I said Hot Coral. Although maybe I did say Soft Coral, I don't know. But this is my favorite. Absolutely beautiful color. Just gives me all the right feels right now. It is my favorite, and this is a beautiful collection, and they're all very cohesive. So this is a fantastic collection. I'm sure you guys agree. It's very cohesive. It's filling in some other areas of colors that they need in the pudding gels, and I really think that this is going to add a good dent in it for the kind of lighter colors going into spring and then into summer. So this is a fantastic collection, especially for that case of moving forward in the season. So it is available now. I do have a discount code, but generally they are running a better sale than my discount code. I always like to state that, but this is for VIPs only. And I hope you guys enjoyed the swatch video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.